mga boss, dito naman tayo sa kuryente, no? Ito actually, tinatawag ng iba is reducer, no? Consumption reducer. But it is actually a power factor corrector, okay? It consists of electronic devices, no? That corrects power factor. Ano yung mga factor na yun? It's because we're paying in watts, kilowatt hour. Okay. So power is watts. Okay. And kung titignan ninyo sa mga resibo, no, yung bill sa ating kuryente, we're paying in kilowatt hour. Alright. So watts. Bibigyan ko yan ng bawa ng power loss. Ano? Ito. From the electric post, nandun yung ating meter. Okay. Hanggang dito. Okay. Hanggang dito. Okay. That's around 20 meters. Okay. May voltage drop doon sa wire, and because there is a voltage drop, so yung voltage drop na yon is also a power consumption. Say for example, you're using an appliance inside the house that is consuming around 700 watts of power. While you are consuming inside from your appliance, magkakaroon ng mas malaking voltage drop dito sa wire that is almost identical to your appliances that you're using. Habang mas malaki yung ginagamit mong appliance doon, lumalaki rin yung voltage drop dito sa wire. Okay, thereby adding to your power consumption. So, yun ang kino-correct nung device na yun to save power. Okay? So, and may mga factors pa considering aside from this. But those factors will be corrected by the device. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo, ginawa ko, no, na electronic device. So, kaway-kaway sa ating mga electrical engineer dyan. Alam nila yan yung mga voltage drop from the wires. Alright? So, if you're learning from this video, please share, like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you.